Hurt people hurt people. Have you ever wondered why some people lash out at others, even those that they care about most? When someone lashes out, it's rarely about you. It's typically about their own pain. The way you respond to people lashing out can change everything. Let's explore how to stay grounded in love and kindness no matter what life throws your way. This is your chance to claim your peace and live in alignment with your values no matter what happens. Hi, and welcome back to Mindset Mastery. I'm Corey Hirsch, and I'm so glad you're here. You may have heard the phrase, hurt people hurt people. Often when others lash out at you, it's not about you, but rather it's about unresolved pain that they're carrying around. Understanding this can help you shift your focus from their words and actions and instead focus on how you want to respond. The key is to focus on how you want to show up in the world. When you act in alignment with your values, rooted in love and kindness, you create a sense of peace within yourself that no one can take away. No matter how someone treats you, you always have the power to decide how you want to respond to the situation. Choosing love and kindness does not mean that you condone hurtful or harmful behavior. It means that you're staying true to who you want to be. Let's explore how this works in practice. When someone hurts you, it's natural to feel defensive and angry, and your first thought might be to act out. But before you react, take a pause and a deep breath and ask yourself the question, how can I be the best version of myself right now? This question shifts your focus from acting impulsively to reacting intentionally. When you stay aligned with your values, you create a boundary around their actions and your emotions. You no longer give away your power by letting their behavior dictate how you feel or act. It is very empowering. Shifting into love and kindness might not come naturally to you, and for most people, it takes some practice. There are different meditations or techniques you can use to help set you up to respond to any situation from a place of love and kindness and peace. The loving kindness meditation, also called metta, is an amazing tool that can be used to cultivate compassion even in the most challenging situations. First, find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Silently repeat the following phrases. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be at peace. Once you feel centered, direct these phrases at the person who hurt you. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they be at peace. Continue to meditate on those phrases until you feel more relaxed and calm about the situation. I encourage you to practice the metta meditation on a regular basis, as it will create a foundation for you so that when you get into a situation where you want to react, the meditation will keep you grounded and in a relaxed place so that you can act and respond intentionally. Using the loving kindness meditation does not mean you're excusing their actions. Instead, it helps you release resentment and cultivate a sense of compassion that benefits your own well-being. Over time, this practice can help you respond to others with greater empathy, which will leave you feeling better about yourself. Another technique that is used to help cultivate compassion, love, and kindness is the oponopono prayer, a Hawaiian practice for emotional cleansing and healing. It's a way of letting go of negativity and reconnecting with love. Here's how you can use it. When you feel anger or hurt arising within you, silently or aloud, say these 4 phrases. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. The phrase I'm sorry allows you to acknowledge the pain and your part in holding on to it. Please forgive me allows you to ask for forgiveness from yourself or the situation. The phrase thank you acknowledges the opportunity to learn and grow from the situation. And the phrase I love you allows you to reaffirm love for yourself and for others, even in difficult moments. This practice is deeply personal and transformative. It's less about the other person and more about clearing your own emotional space so that you can stay rooted in love. Another approach to dealing with hurtful situations is to affirm your inner peace. In moments of hurt, remind yourself, I am rooted in love and kindness. No one can take that away from me. You may want to write this affirmation on a sticky note or set it as a reminder on your phone. Repeating it daily builds resilience and helps you stay in alignment with your values. Choosing love and kindness isn't just about responding to challenging situations. It's a way of life. When you make these principles the foundation of your actions, you cultivate a deep sense of peace and fulfillment. Start with self-love. You can't pour from an empty cup. Before you can extend love and kindness to others, you must first nurture it within yourself. Speak to yourself as you would a dear friend. When you make a mistake, remind yourself that you're human and that you're learning. Create daily rituals that reinforce self-love. Journaling, meditating, or simply pausing to acknowledge something you appreciate about yourself are small but powerful acts. When you cultivate self-love, you build a strong foundation that supports your ability to love others. Lead with compassion. Compassion is the bridge that connects us to others. When you interact with others, ask yourself, how can I bring more love into this moment? Maybe it's by offering a kind word, listening without judgment, or simply holding space for them to express themselves. Remember, compassion doesn't mean tolerating bad behavior. It means recognizing the shared humanity in others and choosing to respond in a way that aligns with your values so that you can feel proud of the way you act and who you are. Celebrate small acts of kindness. Never underestimate the power of small gestures. A smile, a kind word, or even holding the door for someone else can create a ripple effect of positivity. These acts not only brighten someone else's day, but also reinforce your commitment to live a life of love and kindness. You might choose to make it a daily practice to consciously perform at least one act of kindness. Over time, these small choices will become second nature and create a life rich in connection and joy. Cultivate gratitude. Gratitude is the cornerstone of a loving and kind mindset. Take a moment each day to reflect on what you're grateful for. It could be as simple as the warmth of the sun, a meaningful conversation, or even a deep breath. Gratitude shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance. When you approach life from a grateful place, it becomes easier to extend love and kindness to others, even in challenging situations. Changing your thoughts can go a long way towards cultivating a mindset of loving kindness. Our thoughts shape our experience of the world, and often the pain we feel isn't caused by reality, but rather by the stories we tell ourselves about it. Remember, reality is always kinder than our thoughts. Here's how to challenge those thoughts and find inner peace. Think about a time when someone's actions upset you. What hurt more, the act itself or the thoughts you had about it? More often than not, it's our interpretation of the situation that causes us to experience pain. Reality, on the other hand, is neutral. For example, if someone cancels plans with you, you might think they don't care about me and feel hurt, but the reality is the plans were just canceled. There doesn't have to be any meaning behind it. By focusing on what's true rather than the story you've created about it, you can let go of unnecessary pain and misunderstanding. Question your painful thoughts. When a hurtful thought arises, like they're trying to hurt me, pause and ask yourself, is it true? Can I absolutely know it's true? And then ask yourself, who would I be without this thought? By challenging your thoughts, you create space for clarity and understanding. This process, inspired by Byron Katie's The Work, helps you move beyond assumptions and interpretations and into peace. You can also reframe the situation. Instead of asking, why are they doing this to me? You can shift the question to, what can I learn from this situation? Reframing transforms challenges into opportunities for growth, making it easier to approach life with curiosity and resilience. Finally, focus on what you can control. You can't control what others say or how they behave, but you can control your response. Ask yourself, what's one thing I can do right now that will align with my values? This mindset will keep you empowered and grounded. As we wrap up, let's briefly touch on why people hurt others. It's important to understand that their actions have nothing to do with you. When someone lashes out, it's typically a reflection of their own inner struggle. They might be dealing with some unresolved pain, fear, or insecurities. For instance, if someone criticizes you harshly, it may stem from their own feelings of inadequacy rather than anything you've done. Again, understanding this doesn't excuse harmful behavior, but it can help you detach emotionally. When you realize their actions have nothing to do with you, you free yourself from taking their behavior personally. You can then focus on deciding how you want to respond, staying rooted in love and kindness. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, no matter what life throws at you, you can always choose to show up with love and kindness. When you stay true to your values, you create peace within yourself and inspire others to do the same. If this message resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need this reminder. Don't forget to subscribe to Mindset Mastery and turn on your notifications for more tools and insights on personal growth and mental wellness. Until next time, be kind to yourself and to others.